Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about email alert notification system. So in this system, whenever the mail you are getting, so before mail notification, the notification will come through the WhatsApp. So this is the main purpose of our project. So to send the notification, here we are using the Twilio. So which is the main concept, like Twilio API we are using. So whenever you are getting the mail, so that before notification getting through the mail, we will get to the WhatsApp. So in our project, like we have used backend for the Python and frontend for the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and the framework as the Flask we are using. So for database here, you can see that SQLite 3 we are using, so that whenever details like whenever the user is entering the details, so their details will be stored in this database, and session data also will be stored in this. So here you can see that like how we can send the notification through WhatsApp means like by using this email server like IMAP. So this is the email server. So by using this, we will redirect that notification to the WhatsApp. And here you can see that this is the code. So this is the front end. We have index, login, alert, register, about pages, and add by send. And now let me run and show you how the project is working. This is the index page of our project. Here we have multiple buttons like register, login, about, alert. So you can check about pages. So what are the implementation we have done? So this is the real-time alert and WhatsApp integration we have done. And this is secure and reliable. So that you can just go through the about pages. So then before going to alert, so we need to go for the registration. Once you register, you can directly log in here, and this is the home button. So now in alert, so once if you directly log in, it will come to this page. So then if you click start alert, so from now, what are the mail you are getting? So that will come as the notifications. So for an example, so here I have, see for an example, here I have Tulio. So the notification will come here. Okay. So let me check. So now by using any one mail, I will compose the mail. So I have given this mail. So to this mail, what are the mail is coming? That comes as the notification. So now just I will send this email. You can check. So here the mail is sent. So here we have send the notification. So just we will refresh and we can check in the. So here you can see that we got one new email. Okay. So here we got the notification into Leo. So if I click that, so here you can see that like new email from whom it came and to from which mail it came. So only the subject will be displayed here because like entire content won't be displayed here. So what are the subject so that we can check whether this is spam or not or any important thing so that later we can go and check in the email. So like this, what are the mail coming to your mail? So that will come as the notifications. So this is the overall explanations of our project. Thank you.